Hi YouTube, this is Carl KC8YLT, making a real quick video here before I go to work. This is of a uniden grant, the newer style uniden grant from the late 90s. I've converted over to receiving 40 meters. I haven't finished the transmit conversion yet on the radio, which I hope to have done here in the next couple of days. I'm sitting here with my good friend Scooter Jr. But I want to give a quick receive demo here of the uniden grant receiving on 40 meters. Like I said, I haven't finished the transmit part of the conversion yet, so just bear with me. The frequency coverage is 6.995 megahertz up to approximately 7.375 megahertz in the lower portion of 40 meter the amateur band in the upper portion. It's a little quiet this morning, so we'll see if we can. Oh, there's some CW. I've got the radio hooked to an antenna tuner right now for to resonate the antenna for the receive. I've got another antenna coming on the way I bought from eBay. Hopefully it'll be here today. It's more resonant for 40 meters. It's an adjustable antenna instead of the dipole I'm using right now in the tuner. The problem I'm having with the tuner is because I don't have a LC filter network there on the transmit final. It's hard to match the radio to the antenna when I'm transmitting to get good resonance and the low SWR. With this antenna I've got coming today, it'll be a lot easier to just set the antenna and resonate it to 40 meters using my MFJ antenna tuner or SWR analyzer. It's a little early in the morning for me, so let's continue with the receive here. But once I get my antenna set up, the new one I've got coming in the mail, then I'll be able to sit down and wrap the toroids I need for the tank circuit there for the transmit that goes in these radios for the transmit part. Hopefully I'm making sense. Like I said, a little early in the morning for me. This channel selector also moves in 5 kc increments. The clarifier has a range of right around 6 kcs.
Giving me a good indication of what's going on. We're using the W2IHY EQ Plus in conjunction with the let me see. Make sure
That's 7.2 megahertz right there. I get a little harmonic on that frequency. Okay, our high and low band switch, I'm using the tone high and low. Let's go down. This starts on channel 15. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. So far, like I said, all I've done is the receive conversion. I've started on the transmit, but it's not finished. The 2 disc capacitors is what I'm using to resonate the first stage receive, going up to the receive mixer. There's a resistor here added over to the AGC circuit. Another disc capacitor, same point, right there on the transmit receive mixer transformer coil. That's where our signal is generated from. It goes to our receive mixer and transmit mixer. Clarifier is unlocked. These, it's a little hard to see. There's two diodes there. This is on the PLL chip. This is what gives us our high and low band on 40 meters. Okay. Flip it over and this radio hasn't had much done to the transmit yet. I still have to remove the let's turn the light on here so we have a little more light. Won't blind everybody. The 2SC 1969 still in there. This coil here has to be removed for the transmit. Over here, this DC filter choke, it has to be removed. A transmit receive switching relay is going to be put in there for the antenna circuit. This radio is very similar to the Cobra 148 series boards. The component number, they're numbered the same. One of the things I do when I modify is the receive. There's a resistor and the receive IF. I believe it's R66. No, it's R65. It's changed to 2.2K. I believe it's R65. There's two resistors changed over here in the receive to increase the bias voltage on the base of the first stage RF amplifier and up here to the receive mixer. On this style board, I don't use a 2.2K. I use the there's a 10K resistor. It goes into place of, I believe it's a 1K right there, and over here on the receive mixer, R54 has a 22K resistor added. The AM regulator is disconnected right now, but well, the voltage coming off of it over to the 2166 and 1969. This radio here is one I'm doing for a friend, and hopefully I'll have it done soon for him. So, but anyway, if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. Oh, by the way, this radio has dynamic squelch control. I don't need that. I ended up taking it out of the radio. It used to be mounted back here. And the front panel did illuminate. I disconnected that for the time being. But if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask. Once again, this is Carl, KC8YLT. Saying 73 is good DX, and thanks for watching.